LaRoseBros.
And today we're here at Lake Sammamish State Park.
And we're going to be doing some fishing. And here at Lake Sammamish you can catch a variety of different freshwater fish.
Yeah, there's most popular fish here is smallmouth, and right over here there's the mouth to the Issaquah Creek. There's the Issaquah Creek, and its mouth, it comes out right here into the lake. So we're going to be casting out over here, and Timothy's actually going to be doing some creek fishing since there's the lake and the creek right here.
Yeah, so right here I have my little pole. This is actually an ice fishing pole, but since the creek is going to be so close to me, I need the short pole. And here's what I set up with, this little teeny tiny jig. So I'm going to see what I can catch. And I'm hoping that I'll catch maybe smallmouth bass, maybe yellow perch. There's even trout here, so I'll see what I can get.
Yeah. So Timothy is going to go ahead and do some creek fishing. And what I have is this swim bait. And it has a little reflector right there. And I'm going to be trying to catch some smallmouth bass, maybe some largemouth. And yeah, we've seen a few fish jump out over here where we're going to be fishing, so that's a good sign.
Alright, so I'm going to be going away from the lake. As you saw, Silas stayed so that he could be fishing on the lake side, but I am going to head to the side of the creek, and it looks like there's a little opening right here. So right here, I think looks like a pretty good spot to try to do some fishing. So I'm going to drop down my little lure right here, and I'm going to see if I can catch anything. I don't see any fish down there, but there's bound to be something. Oh, look at the hummingbird. Oh my gosh, look at that hummingbird. Look at it right there. Whoa. You see that hummingbird? Wow, it's feasting on these little flowers. Give them lots of nectar. There's also some mushrooms and random places around here. It's a really nice place, lots of hiking trails, good for the family actually. So lots of different things here at Lake Sammamish State Park. I'm just gonna put my bag down right here and set up and start fishing right here. So can't wait, see what I can catch. I reeled in a little parasite. I have this spoon right here, but on the end there's a little parasite that somehow got on there. I wonder how that got on there just randomly. That's funny. Well, I'll keep fishing using the spoon right here. A little spoon. I wonder what will bite.
This water is so shallow, but we've seen fish jump out at like the depth that Timo is at right now. Crazy. Looks like a fish just jumped out over here. All right, so we have some worms and we have them right there. Timo just put some down, and we're gonna see if these robins that are around here come and try to get it. Yeah, so there's lots of robins around here. It looks like they're getting worms from the ground, and we're just gonna put a few over here and see if the camera picks it up. So, starting now.
I don't see any fish. There it is, there it is. I saw it.
Where?
It was a fish, for sure. I saw it eat some bugs. It literally took them into its mouth.
Here is a sign about kokanee. Kokanee are sockeye salmon that only live in freshwater. So I'm gonna come over here, and here's a good place in the creek. Might try fishing here, not sure yet. Water's pretty deep. We can cast out on the other side. There might be some smallmouth or trout over there. And we're at Lake Sammamish. This is the Issaquah Creek, and it feeds in to the lake over there. And there's lots of fish here, mostly smallmouth bass, also some panfish like perch, pumpkin seed bluegill. There's some cool waterfowl, as you can see over there. And yeah, it's a nice place. Looks pretty deep over in that direction. So we can fish maybe. Might try creek fishing, haven't really done that before. And there's, yeah, I'm pretty sure the salmon during the spawning season come up the Issaquah Creek, some of them at least. Also, there's quite a bit of trout at this lake. Some largemouth, but as I said, mostly smallmouth. Also some catfish as well. Hey guys, found a nest up here. I'm gonna stick the Insta360 up there to see if I can see what's in it.
Well, we had a great day here at Lake Sammamish Park.
Yep, it's just a really nice place. I really recommend coming here. Lake Sammamish State Park, pretty close to downtown Seattle. It's just a really nice place around here in Washington.
We got the creek and the big, huge lake. We're planning to come back here sometime later when it gets warmer and the fish are biting more often. And we'll just come here another time and see if we can catch anything. And we still had a great time. There was lots of hiking trails and lots of fish. We even saw some jumping out of the water and plenty of wildlife too. So make sure to like and subscribe.
And for Lake Sammamish, you need a discovery pass, and this state park is actually really cool because it's so close to urban areas. If you listen, you can even hear the cars on the highway nearby. But in other places, it's really quiet and peaceful, and there's Issaquah Creek running through the park, so it's a really scenic place.
So thanks for watching.
Yeah, we'll see you next time.